there, garden lovers. Welcome back to Homespot. Have you ever looked at fallen branches in your yard and seen pure potential? Today, we're transforming nature's gifts into absolutely stunning garden decorations that will make your outdoor space feel magical. These DIY wood crafts are simple, budget-friendly, and incredibly beautiful. Let's dive in and bring those garden dreams to life. Transform delicate twigs into charming miniature bird nests that bring woodland magic to your garden corners. Simply weave flexible branches together in a circular motion, gradually building up the sides to create a cozy nest shape. Tuck soft moss inside for cushioning and add decorative eggs for a realistic touch. These sweet nests look enchanting nestled among foliage, tucked into tree branches, or displayed on garden shelves, creating delightful focal points that celebrate nature's simple beauty. Create whimsical dragonfly sculptures that dance across your garden fence using fallen branches from your yard. Select one straight branch for the body and 4 curved twigs for the delicate wings, arranging them in symmetrical patterns. Secure everything with hot glue or thin wire. Then mount your dragonflies on fences or walls. These charming creatures add playful movement and artistic flair to vertical garden spaces, transforming plain surfaces into enchanting outdoor galleries that celebrate garden wildlife. Turn thick branch slices into stunning rustic candle holders that illuminate your garden evenings with warm, natural ambience. Cut branches into various heights, then drill holes sized perfectly for tea lights or pillar candles. Sand the surfaces smooth while keeping the natural bark edges for authentic character. Arrange multiple holders together on outdoor tables or along pathways to create a magical candlelit atmosphere that blends seamlessly with your garden's organic aesthetic and natural surroundings. Bring fairy tale charm to your garden beds with adorable mushroom stakes made from painted branch slices and sticks. Cut thick branches into rounds for mushroom caps, then paint them in vibrant reds, yellows, or oranges with white spots for classic toadstool appeal. Attach each cap to a straight stick using wood glue or small nails. Cluster these whimsical mushrooms throughout your garden beds to create an enchanting woodland atmosphere that delights visitors of all ages. Design delicate butterfly decorations using thin twigs arranged in beautiful wing patterns that grace your garden walls. Lay out 4 similar-sized twigs to form upper and lower wings. Then add a straight branch down the center as the body. Secure everything with wire or glue, adding curved antennae from very thin twigs. Mount these graceful butterflies on fences or walls near butterfly-attracting flowers, creating cohesive garden themes that celebrate pollinators and natural beauty. Build adorable miniature ladders from straight branches that provide both support and rustic charm for climbing plants. Cut 2 longer branches for sides and several shorter pieces for rungs, spacing them evenly. Secure rungs between the side pieces using wood glue or thin nails. Lean your finished ladder against planters or garden beds where miniature vines or trailing plants can climb, creating vertical interest while maintaining a handcrafted cottage garden aesthetic throughout your outdoor space. Transform simple wooden frames into nature-inspired art pieces by surrounding them with carefully arranged small twigs. Cut twigs to match frame dimensions, then glue them around the perimeter, overlapping at corners for organic appeal. Display garden photographs, inspirational quotes, or small mirrors in these frames. Hang them on fences or exterior walls where they blend beautifully with surrounding foliage, creating personalized outdoor gallery spaces that showcase your creativity and love for natural materials. Create melodious wind chimes from hollow branches that fill your garden with gentle natural sounds. Collect branches of varying lengths and thickness, ensuring some are hollow for better acoustics. Suspend them at different heights using sturdy twine, adding small shells, bells, or wooden beads for additional sound elements. Hang your chimes from tree branches or pergolas where breezes can activate them, introducing peaceful soundscapes that enhance the sensory experience of your garden sanctuary. Design a natural pathway through your garden using thick log slices that create rustic charm underfoot. Cut fallen logs into uniform thickness rounds, then treat them with wood preservative for outdoor durability. Arrange slices in a meandering pattern through garden beds, spacing them for comfortable walking. The wood grain patterns create unique character in each stone while providing functional walkways. Low-growing plants between slices soften edges and integrate the pathway beautifully into your overall garden design. Weave flexible branches into charming rustic baskets, perfect for displaying small plants throughout your garden. Start with a circular base, securing several branches in a star pattern. Weave additional flexible twigs around and around, working upward to create basket sides. Tuck and secure ends invisibly inside the weave. Fill your finished basket with succulents, herbs, or seasonal flowers. Then display it on benches, steps, or tables where its handcrafted texture adds warmth and cottage garden appeal. Construct an enchanting fairy dwelling from small branches that sparks imagination and wonder in your garden. Stack and glue branches to form walls, leaving a small doorway opening. Create a peaked roof using overlapping twigs and add bark shingles for detail. Position your fairy house at tree bases or among garden beds, surrounding it with moss and tiny flowers. This whimsical addition creates magical focal points that invite visitors to dream and discover hidden garden stories. Design a dramatic sunburst medallion using branches radiating outward from a central point for striking wall art. Cut branches to graduating lengths, longest to shortest, creating dimensional depth. Glue or wire them around a circular wooden disc, spacing evenly to form starburst patterns. Mount this bold statement piece on garden fences or exterior walls where it commands attention. The natural wood tones create warmth, while the geometric pattern introduces artistic sophistication to outdoor spaces. Build an eco-friendly bee hotel from hollow branch bundles that supports beneficial pollinators while adding garden interest. Collect hollow twigs and branches, cutting them to uniform lengths between 6 and 8 inches. Bundle them tightly together and secure inside a wooden frame or container. Mount your bee hotel on posts or fences near flowering plants. This sustainable garden element provides essential nesting sites for solitary bees while demonstrating environmental stewardship through beautiful functional design. Create seasonal pumpkin decorations using trimmed twigs arranged in descending lengths for festive garden charm. Cut branches into graduated sizes and glue them vertically onto a wooden backing board, forming a pumpkin silhouette. Add a thick twig stem at the top and tie a rustic twine bough for finishing touches. Display this harvest-themed art on fences or walls during autumn months, celebrating seasonal changes while showcasing your creativity with natural materials found right in your own yard. Construct charming lantern cages from branches that transform simple jar candles into magical garden lighting. Build small square or cylindrical frames using straight branches, securing corners with wire or wood glue. Size your structure to hold mason jars or glass containers snugly. Place battery-operated candles or fairy lights inside jars for safe illumination. Position lanterns along pathways or on tables where their warm glow creates enchanting evening ambience, extending garden enjoyment into twilight hours. Shape flexible branches into dramatic spiral sculptures that add vertical architectural drama to garden beds. Create a cone form as your base, then wrap soaked, pliable branches around it in ascending spirals, securing as you build. Remove the form once branches dry and hold their shape. Stand your spiral sculpture among perennials or grasses where it provides height and artistic structure. This organic sculpture creates year-round interest, especially beautiful when adorned with climbing vines or morning frost. Craft rustic star ornaments by binding 5 straight twigs together into classic 5-pointed shapes for versatile garden decoration. Select branches of equal length and thickness for symmetry. Arrange them in a star pattern with ends overlapping, then secure intersections with wire, twine, or hot glue. Hang finished stars from tree branches, fence posts, or pergolas using natural twine. These simple yet striking ornaments work beautifully year-round, adapting to seasonal themes through their timeless natural appeal. And there you have it, beautiful ways to transform fallen branches into stunning garden art. From whimsical dragonflies to elegant lantern cages, each project brings natural charm to your outdoor space. Which one will you try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration, and ring the bell so you never miss our creative ideas. Happy crafting, everyone!